Welcome to today's invigorating yoga workout class designed to strengthen and tone your core, legs, and upper body. Whether you're new to yoga or a seasoned practitioner, this session is perfect for enhancing your strength, flexibility, and overall well-being. In this quick practice, we'll blend the fluidity of yoga with targeted exercise to engage your core muscles, leaving you feeling amazing and ready to start your day. So roll out your mat, grab some water, and let's begin. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice today. Let's begin by coming over to our mats. You're going to bring your feet to the front and then bring your knees into your chest. Just give yourself a big hug. Close your eyes for a moment and just start to rock side to side, massaging your lumbar spine. Good, and then extending the legs up to the sky. Maybe do a little rub on the back of your hamstrings. And then from here, we're going to start with our first core exercise. Take your arms over your head, point your toes, bend your elbows, and place the hands behind your head. From here, one leg is going to drop, the other knee comes in as you crunch up, and then bring it back to center. Alternate legs and center. Bring it up and center, crunch and center. Now if you want to make it a little bit easier, you can of course not do the crunch and just work the legs. Dropping one leg at a time, other knee comes in, and other side. Release the head and crunch, legs up and crunch. Now hold it here, opposite elbow to knee for 1, 2, twist, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got it. Really get into those obliques. Keep your other leg hovering above the mat. From here, bicycle twist. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to pause on the other side and then go into that twisted crunch for 1. Reach 2. Try to get that elbow to knee. 3. Other leg stays extended and hovered. Good. Keep going. Twist and twist and twist and twist. Almost there. And slowly release. Awesome, my friends. Just bring your head down. Pull that knee right into the chest. Let's take a spinal twist. Take your left or right knee, whatever you ended with, across your body. Other arm extends out to the side. Maybe look over your shoulder if that feels good for you. And we're just going to hold here on one side. And this is the perfect opportunity for you to close your eyes once again. Just come into the breath, noticing the nice stretch through the back. And then let's switch sides. Other knee comes in. And then from here, you're going to pull and push it across. Extend your other arm away from you. Hold it here. Inhale. And exhale. Awesome. Come back to center. And then bring both knees into chest. Roll yourself up. And taking our next abdominal exercise, double leg stretch. Bring it in. So both arms and legs extend and then come into ball. Inhale. Exhale. Just be very mindful that when you extend your arms and legs, your lower back does not come off the mat. So keep pressing your back into the floor, and if that means the legs stay up a little higher, that's totally fine. Extend. And in, extend, and in, extend, almost there. Hold this little ball. Now rolling like a ball, just rock it up and back down. So roll to your shoulders and then up to your boat pose, or we call Navasana. Good. You can hold on to the back of the knees to make this a little bit easier. Or you can just keep the arms at the sides for a little bit more challenge. From here, holding this boat pose, see if you can extend your arms forward. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Deep breath in. Exhale out. And then bring the soles of your feet together. Open the knees. And from here, let's go ahead and just round the spine, pull the chin to chest. Open the heart up. So it's like a cat-cow, but in a butterfly-like position. Open the heart. And then from here, just come down forward with your forehead to the floor, or as close as you can get it to. And just feel this nice opening sensation in the hips as you take a deep breath in. And a long exhale out. And then slowly come back to center. And then bring your knees together. And from here, we're gonna roll like a ball. And then I want you to first use your hands for a little support. Bring yourself up to your feet. Let's do it again. Roll back and hold. Roll like a ball. Now see if you can bring your arms up into a full chair, Utkatasana. Then the next level up is to not use your hands at all and try to use the momentum and strength of your body. So roll like a ball. Roll up to your feet and right into that chair. If you need to use your hands, of course, feel free to keep them on the mat for a little extra support and push. Holding here, Utkatasana, inhale. Exhale, now come into forward fold. Halfway lift. Exhale from here, 2 steps back into a high plank position. Pull the navel to the spine. And then just rock forward and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. From here, slow motion mountain climbers. Just one at a time. Bring it in. Other side. In. Other side. So it's like little steps. In and in. In and in. Now holding your plank, take your chaturanga. Release the toes and open into upward facing dog. And then as you exhale, push into the hands, bend your knees, and release into your child's pose, rounding out the spine. Come back into knees. Bring yourself forward with your hips, and we're going to take our knee push-ups here. So go ahead and bend your elbows, point them to the back of your mat, and bring it up. 2. So using the triceps here rather than the pec muscles. 4, 5, 6, you got it. 7 and 8, 9, one more. Awesome. 10. Now release the feet, tuck your toes back into plank, and then take your downward facing dog. Inhale and exhale. Just feel that nice stretch through the back of your legs. Look to the top of the mat. Return yourself back into high plank, and then opening into side plank, stacking your feet on top of one another. And then what we're going to do is just dip and lift. 2 little pulses. 4, 5, 6. Keep going. If you need to modify, of course, you can bring the bottom knee to the mat, and that'll make it a little bit easier. And up, up, up. Almost there. From here, reach the arm to the sky. Pull the top knee forward, and then see if you can grab your big toe with 2 fingers. Extend the knee. And then from here, transitioning into our lunge. So come forward, bend the front knee, and then on your exhale, we extend and release for 1. Come forward, and 2. Very nice. A really nice stretch for the hamstring here. And let's hold. Now flex your front foot just so you can get a little deeper into the calf muscle, or keep it on the mat. Really important here is to think of our alignment. So pull that front hip back and slightly push the back hip forward. Then return back into high lunge, reach both arms up to the sky. Extend the front knee, reposition if you have to, just slightly find your balance. Then we're going to take our lunge squats. So you lift and lower for 2. Good, 3, 4. So watch how the back knee barely touches the floor. It actually doesn't make any contact. It just hovers when you come down. Come down, very nice, extend. Down, now hold. Extend the back leg, interlace the fingers behind your back, open through that heart and chest. Hold it here, inhale. Exhale, hands come down. Step back into your plank, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. And exhale, push back into downward facing dog. Beautiful. All right. We're going to take it to the other side. So same thing, slowly transition into high plank first. Then come onto the other hand. So the left hand if you did the right. Stack your feet or modify by bringing the bottom knee down. And let's do our 20 rep pulses. Good. Just little dip and up. Up, up, up. So really engaging through the side body here, your obliques. A wonderful way to tone our waistline. Keep going. And then hold it here, extend the top arm, bend that top knee. See if you can grab the big toe with your peace fingers, extending the knee forward, and then transition yourself over into pyramid. But we're not going to hold pyramid yet, we're just going to come into lunge and extend for 1. Bring it forward, so working with the breath here, flexing the front foot when both knees extend. And extend, flex your foot. We're going to do that one more time and then we're going to hold it there. Let's release. Really think about folding from the hips. Forehead comes down onto the knee or shin. Find your alignment. Hold and then bend that front knee. Reach both arms up to the sky, high lunge. Find your center, your focus. Extend the front knee. Bend both knees for 1. And 2, very good. So make sure that back knee slightly hovers above the mat. And bend, you got it. Bend, bend, very good. And just hold, extend the back knee. Bring the hands back down onto the mat. And then step back into your high plank position, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe it out. Inhale. And then just let it go, exhale. Very good, my friends. Once you're ready, take that final exhale and then bring your knees down onto the mat. And just sit back to your heels, relax in the child's pose just for a moment to release the shoulders, release the spine. Bring back to the breath one more time. Inhale. And exhale. And exhale, come on up to seated, reaching both arms up to the sky. And then placing your hands at your heart center. Wonderful, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me here today for this quick yoga workout. I hope you feel amazing, and I look forward to seeing you in our next practice. Thank you. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed this practice. If you would like to slim down and tone up, I would like to let you know about the Blissful Body Bootcamp. First things first, this is a completely free 7-day bootcamp, a course that I created for anyone that is looking for incredible results.
what's most important about this particular boot camp and program is that you are rolling out your mat every single day, stepping on your mat, and dedicating yourself to a practice. So remember, it's all about listening, tuning in, pushing yourself to that next level, and having fun. Because really, what it is all about is to have fun while we're working our bodies. So come with me. It's completely free. And all you have to do is just simply click this link here and discover how powerful you truly are.